things. Education, culture, and religious values and society. Students shape their lives by learning here and contribute to the development of society. Thank you everybody. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.